Hello guys, in MEP we always see one of the item, yes, that is BTU meter. So in this session we are going to learn a little bit technical and measurement technique for this item. Alright, in this item involved with the chilled water supply system, and also we know very well in this chilled water supply is directly connect with the HVAC system. You can see there are a lot of items and components involved in the chilled water supply. So now we are going to focus only for the BTU meter. You can see here, before discussing the BTU meter, there are two different pipes, the blue color and red color. So the blue color indicates the chilled water supply pipe, the red color indicates chill water return pipe, and also especially you can see here BTU meter. So in this BTU meter fixed in the chill water supply pipe. Now you can see here the real time picture for the BTU meter. It's connected with the chill water supply pipe. So this is the real time picture, and also you can see they fixed one BTU meter in the chill water supply pipe. This BTU meter, British Thermal Unit Meters, main function is to measure the thermal energy in the chill water supply system. You can see here this chill water supply pipe is connect with the 3 FCUs. FCU mean fan coil unit, to supply the chill water, and also we can see another branch. It's connected with another 3 FCUs. Right. Especially you can see here there's a one BTU for one branch, another BTU for another branch. So we should be aware for these BTU meters for our chill water supply drawing. In the real-time practices also, some tender packages, once you taking the quantities for the HVAC system, this chill water supply, sometimes you cannot find out these BTU meters because the architectural draftsmen, sometimes they forget to put these BTU meters in the drawing. But you are the technical MEP quantity surveyors, you should be aware. If you are not find out anything in the drawing, you should be asked the queries to the technical team for some clarification regarding the missed BTU meter. This is our main intention for these classes and courses, to improve our knowledge for the confident work.